Hey everybody, Uncle Pete here. This is a video of our 2025 mud season. I hope you enjoy. God bless.
That's what I like about how we built this thing. We can use it for anything.
Team Polaris. Go! We got the Uncle Pete's Outdoors posse with us today.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. He just inhaled a little bit. He's trying to get it through. You gotta put a snorkel on that bad, Larry. Yeah. Oh,
Kill it on me. You already broke it once. Yeah, one-handed. That's smart.
Oh, he's gonna go through the big one.
It's pretty deep. It's in low now, though. I didn't have it in low. I had it in high. Big screws in low.
Here, hold that sucker.
Oh shit! The fucking animal. Fucking one every time he goes by.
Alright, that's enough fun for me before I break something.
Okay.
Take it for the mud. Fucking nice clothes, all fucked up now.
Go. Watch out for
But
him.
me, I'm glad he was on this side. He's on this side. I'm gonna get my phone.
They had it. They had a compartment. Little spinny thing, it's like a dry one. Look at him. I've never seen him have one in a long time. I think.
Look at him, he's covered. Woo!
Hey, how many fucking blue moons did you have before that?
I didn't have a one.
Holy shit, dude. I haven't seen you having this much fun
Oh,
forever.
oh, he killed it.
Here you go. We're done. It's deep in here, though.
There he is. Woohoo! Whoa! That's what I thought was gonna happen. As soon as I seen it, I'm like, woo!
Someone found the water.
Good thing there ain't no crossbar on them handlebars. You would have got it right in the gut.
I got it right in the side there. Woo! That's what you're talking about right there, baby. That's some mudding. What did I break? Broke something. You broke something? Yeah, my little bracket here. It's all right. That's what it's all about.
Hey!
I think he waterlogged it. Wash my glasses. At least I didn't get so lucky. I'm pushing the tube right now. I don't want to kill it. That's fine. You didn't have your GoPro on, did you? Just let it dry out. Tyler, where is this filter on? The original place?
Yeah,
You should at least snorkel it up.
that's what I've been telling
You've
him.
been going in that water like that. You're playing?
Yeah.
I hope I didn't lose my phone in the pond.
Go forward.
Get out of the four wheel.
Yeah, give it to her.
All right, get out of the way.
Yeah, go through the hole with him on the hood.
Oh, shit. Hold on, PJ.
We if that was me and Jim, we would have gone for it. I mean, I'm covered. Oh, bugger. I got it now. I got it now. I choose mine. Take it home with me. How much you want to bet they're going to bet? Dude, where'd you get the wrench? Holy Christ, what a fucking winch fest. I had to winch to 2 different trees to get out of there. I think you paid just for the winch instead of the fucking blade. Yeah. That tree is all messed up from people doing the same. And I winched to this little guy. Now Tyler's gonna give it his best shot here. You can see my ruts, that's how stuck I was. In the water over there, it fucking tilted sideways. So we'll see how this goes. I left the winch cable out just in case. Oh. Yeah, he's stuck in the same spot I was. Turn that way and go back. Alright, I'm gonna have to hook up the winch then. To him. Can you believe I went through there with the Blazer? Oh! Oh! No. Holy fuck. I mean, nothing for that Jeep.
Yeah.
It was a little sketchy in the Blazer though. Yeah, he's got all the clearance in the world. He's having fun with that one.
Good buddy Tyler.
Here comes the wave. That wave's gonna reach us, man. Yep.
Well, we're doing some night whaling tonight. All right, you ready? Yeehaw!
Nope, ain't got
Hit a
enough
tree.
They ain't got enough room.
Almost. No room to do a donut in here. Woo-hoo! Don't hit a tree. Yeah, yeah. Wow, you're gonna hit Tyler. Whoa! That was a good one. There's the mud hole right there. Tyler going for it?
No. Pussy.
This is a little gnarly.
Hard bottom. All rocks under there.
Hey everybody, Uncle Pete here. Just want to show you, if you want to have fun, you got to work on your truck too. Playing in the mud, you break stuff. Thank God we got Juan to help us out. We're at Juan's shop. We'll show you some of the carnage. That's what we're fixing today. PJ got it stuck and winched it out and it crushed the Y pipe. Working on that. Also, we can go back out and play in the mud. We got all this pipe we got to do today. All new shocks in the back. If you want to play, you got to pay.
From her back. Look at this. Look at these fucking things. She's lifted, bud. We got exhaust. We got one. We got brand new. All brand new. All brand new up in there. Up in here. Up in here. These are brand new. And that's brand new. And this is new and that's new. It's all new, guy.
This is what we're doing this fucking 4th of July. Leaf springs, because like I don't know if you can see those or the old ones.
Here, let me just give the camera a view down these.
Somebody put in some shitty Adda leaves and it just didn't hold up. So we're putting in some fucking heavy duty 4-inch leaf springs.
It's not supposed to look.
Yeah.
Some rough country
Let me tell you, these bolts here that bolt into the body, they ain't fucking kidding. Dude, a friggin' air impact wouldn't take these out.
Yeah, we've been fighting for a while. 3 of us on this one. We got the other side. It's always when it's that close.
You like that? Yeah, that's a good thing. Can't be Snap-on. Fuck you, Milwaukee. Can't beat Snap-on and an angry Mexican.
Fuck, man. Sometimes that's all it takes.
Fucking beast. Woo! Now we just gotta get that. Now we gotta get the U-bolts out.
Those are easy.
Yeah.
Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and follow us for the 2026 mud season and the 2026 turkey season. Thanks for watching.